Welcome back to Powerlinekey.com. In this short video, we will share about effective brand marketing strategy and types of brand marketing. In today's market dynamics, standing out isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Businesses put lots of effort into building their business relationship. Effective brand marketing services and consistent efforts offer a powerful toolkit to elevate visibility, build trust, and foster customer loyalty. Brand marketing campaigns and engaging content creation can build brand sustainability in the right marketplace. Discover how your brand marketing and strategies can transform your business into a recognizable and trusted name in your industry, driving growth and sustaining success. Marketing is the most important part of moving business goal. Let's dive into top branding paths and strategies, which may help your brand legibility. Let's understand how brand marketing impacts the marketplace. Brand marketing significantly influences the marketplace by differentiating products, shaping consumer perceptions, and fostering loyalty. It creates a unique brand identity that stands out in crowded markets, enhances customer trust, and drives preference over competitors. As per experts' opinion, customers and marketers both worried about new products or services available in the current market. Effective brand marketing boosts visibility, describes the product, awareness, and competitive values, builds emotional connections, and trustworthiness can transform consumer behavior, leading to increased market share and long-term business growth. Here are top 10 branding techniques. Implementing these strategies can allow your business boost. 1. Product branding. 2. Service branding. 3. Personal branding. 4. Online branding. 5. Employer branding. 6. Corporate branding. 7. Co-branding. 8. Geographic branding. 9. Retail or small business branding. 10. No brand branding. If you want to know more about branding, please search on Google. Effective brand marketing services to elevate your business by Powerlinekey.com. You will get our blog in details. You will also get our recommended B2B resources and freelance services. If you like this video, please give me a like, follow, and share with others. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.